Alrighty guys, so as you guys can see, we are back with some fire, trying out the color Raine Juicy Boost palette today, honey. I am so excited. Alrighty, so without further ado, I already have my brows done and our eyes primed using my P. Louise Rumor number 3 base. And we're jumping into that first color, which is called Watermelon Detox. Okay, Watermelon Detox, and I think it is the prettiest color in this entire palette. I love it so much. And I'm just going to use that on a tapered blending brush and just start packing that into our crease. This is kind of our transition color, and we really want that nice and just blown out. Isn't that color amazing? Like, you can't ask for a better pink. How can you ask for a better pink? So like I said, ladies, anytime, ladies and gents, my ladies and gents, a beauty community, anytime you are doing your eyeshadow, you want to lift your brows, especially for my hooded lids out there, all my little hooded lid beauty members, make sure you lift your brows. Alrighty, so next I'm going into this pink grapefruit color, and I am using that to just soften that watermelon detox color and just go around it. I'm using a super fluffy blending brush just to make it nice and seamless and blown out. So once we have that to our liking, we just go back in with that same brush that we used initially and just make sure the two colors marry. And you see how soft that pink grapefruit color gave the look? Next, we're going to jump into this apple strawberry color to just deepen, just to add depth to our crease. So using another tapered blending brush, and we're just going to go in, once again, brows lifted. Lift those brows and go in and pack the color in and blend it out and make sure that all the colors marry together seamlessly. Alrighty, so now that we have that on there, I'm going to try this new technique of cutting my crease using Vaseline. I've seen it all over Instagram, and I'm just like, okay, I'll give it a shot. I originally wanted to go for like a cut crease kind of look. It didn't really work out like that, but okay, we tried, we tried. So I just put some Vaseline on like a flat C-shaped brush. And then I just kind of like carved out the area or cut out the area where I wanted to remove the shadow that we already had there. Like I said, I originally was going for a cut crease, and then it changed into something else. But I will say this technique did work. I'm not going to say that it didn't. I'm not used to it. I'm used to just cutting my crease the old school way, I guess. But this was a cool little, switch it up on the game, try something different. Like I said, it was definitely different for me using it this way, using Vaseline. Like I said, it was just my first time, but I wanted to try something different and just see if it would give me a sharper cut crease line. So once I put the Vaseline on there, I just wipe away everywhere that I put the Vaseline with the Q-tip. And it like cuts it nice and seamlessly, as you can see. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye as well. Now that that's done, I'm going to go back in with my P. Louise Rumor number 3 base. And honestly, this is just the way that I'm used to cutting my crease. And I think I'm just going to stick to it that way because I ended up going over it and doing it anyway. And I feel like this just made this look much more tedious and harder than it had to be. I should have just came out with this from gate. But whatever, that's not here nor there. You live, you learn. It still came out to be a fire look. So that's all that matters. Alrighty, so I'm going back in with that watermelon detox color, and then in that moment, that's when I decided, you know what, I'm going to do a halo eye. I'm not going to do just a regular cut crease. We're going to do a cut crease halo eye. So using the same tapered blending brush and just applying that watermelon detox color on both sides and just getting that halo sandwich effect that we all love so much. I know it's itching. But yeah, so just coming in with that blender brush and just blending in those colors as seamlessly as you possibly can. Then going back in just to clean up that cut crease a little bit more and add a little bit more of that P. Louise Rumor 3 base to the center of our lids. And it's already a vibe. It's already coming together. It's already a look and a vibe. You feel me? Alrighty, so now I'm using that apple strawberry color and just giving some more depth to the eye, to the halo eye, should I say. on my same taper blending brush. Same taper blending brush. Same taper blending brush. Yes, like so. Like that. As Tabitha would say. Hey. I gotta stop using that lady's tagline. That's definitely her. That's definitely her tagline. Tabitha, I love you. Anyway, but just come in with that apple strawberry color and just add depth. And as you guys can just see, the eye is coming together so pretty. Then I'm gonna step into this Kale Yeah color. It's like a dark green. I really needed something to add a little bit of depth. I really wanted like a black or a purple. I didn't have that, so I went with this dark green, and I was a little scared. I started off with a little bit at first, but it actually gave me exactly what I needed, and it didn't look green at all. So I was super happy about that. But that shade was called Kale Yeah. It's like the darkest color in the palette. And it gave us the depth that we needed. Look at our eyes coming together so nicely. And I just used that on a fluffy, natural hair blending brush to be more specific, you know. People be wanting to know the tools and all. And just go in and blend and layer those colors like so, like that. Okay, so this is where it really got fun. We got to use that sweet ruby color, which is like kind of like a pressed pigment, pressed foil shadow. It's so pretty. Look at that. Honestly, I knew not to use that with a brush. I'm like, I'm just going to use this with my fingers because I already know, baby, it's about to be fire. And sure enough, like I was sitting there trying to contain my excitement, but that has to be one of the prettiest iridescent-y, pinky, soft duochrome sparkly shadows I have ever used in my life. And thank you for that color, Raine. And as I mentioned, that shade is called Sweet Ruby. So we just applied that to the center of our eyes. And honey, you can't tell me this ain't a look and a vibe, baby. This is a look and a vibe. Yes, it looks very similar to my Power Palette eye look. Yes, we know Jessica loves pink, but it is what it is, okay? Y'all still came back for more. And as you can see, this look is still boss. Alrighty, so now that's pretty much the eye look that we have. And then, as you can see, these are the lashes that we'll be using, which are Lena lashes in the style Pervin. They're super cute. I'm just gonna pop those on off camera. Alrighty, guys, so this is the final look, honey. I just went in and just kind of finished off the eyes. Pumped a little white in the waterline with a little shadow underneath. Let me get in close so y'all can see how we looking, baby. Yes, marvel, marvel. And I also put the same shadow that we put in our center as my highlight and on my nose. Honey, I'm pinked out, baby. Pinked out. So let's address the topic at hand. Colored Raine. Colored Raine. Colored Raine. I don't even know what to say at this point. Like, I'm gonna just let the makeup, the look, and the hair speak for itself. Because Colored Raine is out here killing it. Do you hear me? Killing it, killing it, killing it, killing it. Like, Colored Raine, you got a fan in me. And I mean that. Like, I support their stuff 110%. They have to have probably the best eyeshadows, in my opinion, on the market, and it's a Black-owned brand. Can we just get a for that? Yes, yes. This palette is boss. I don't want to speak too soon, but it could very well be my favorite palette of the year. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. But yes, y'all, this is just another bomb Colored Raine eye look using their new Juicy Boost palette, which just launched just a couple weeks ago as their summer launch. And honey, let's just give her one more look-see. Let's just give her one more look-see. Baby. Yes. These colors are everything. So as you guys can see, I did a nice, bold, fun little take on a halo eye. I'm going to try to do something more neutral with this palette probably tomorrow. Let's see. It all depends on if I feel like filming or not. But it's your girl, Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, share with your friends and family, and most importantly, make sure you subscribe, baby. Because look at this beat. Look at this beat. Look at this quick little hair that I threw together. This is actually an old wig that I rejudged, baby. And we cute, honey. And we cute. And they're all pink. Oh, we cute. So yeah, I'm about to be out this thing. Want to catch the sun before it goes down so I can get some bomb pictures. Like I said, it's your girl Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. And thank you to my beautiful, beautiful channel and my little makeup community that is supporting me. We are 180 something subscribers strong. And I am just elated. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I appreciate you. Let me know how you guys like this look. If you guys want to see more looks using this palette. And until the next one, bye y'all.